Hard to believe. I've seen pictures, but it's hard to believe when you're above it in a plane and to see the total devastation. See no houses left, not even the pads are left. It's incredible. And I have to say that the work that FEMA, first responders, local government, law enforcement is doing is incredible. You just saw Michael, who actually was about the only person in this area that wrote it out. He said he's never been so scared in his life, but he's never seen power like this. Trees coming down left and right. To see this personally, it's very tough, very, very tough. Total devastation. This is the mayor, by the way. Come on over here. Come.
When the storm hit, the police, our first responders, and myself and our city manager, we were in the city hall and police annex, and you'll see if we walked that far, it shuttles collapsed around us, and it lasted 55 minutes, and they said it was the equivalent of a 40-mile wide F3 tornado for 55 minutes. And
that's what it seems like to me. It seemed almost like a giant tornado. A really wide tornado, which is...
It was big. It was big. Not quite as big as Irma, but it was big.
It was huge.
And it came fast, and it grew fast, and it got to almost a Category 5.
At midnight, I got on like the live Facebook page and started talking to people, and I said, "You still have time. It's not going to be here till 8 o'clock. Get in your car and drive 150 miles north or west." And I believe a lot of the day that we had no casualties in this town. It's amazing.
All right, press. Let's keep moving. Keep moving, press.